Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maad and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So are you ready to upgrade your wardrobe and make a statement at an event? From casual gatherings to formal galas, I have got you covered. In today's video, we will explore the latest trend and must-have in women's fashion clothing for any occasion. For casual events like brunches or picnics, OPT for comfortable and stylish pieces like sundresses, distresses, denim and graphic tees. Add a pop of color with statement accessories like hats, scarf and sunglasses. For work events or conference, go for professional and polished looks featuring tailored blazers, trousers and bowls. Don't forget to add a touch of personality with a statement handbag or shoes. So for formal events like wedding or galas, make a statement with floor-length gowns, luxurious fabrics and elegant accessories like pearls and diamonds. Remember, the key is exude confidence and sophistication. Now let's talk about the trendy must-have that can elevate any outfit from utility chic to neon colors. Incorporate these pieces into your wardrobe to stay on trend. Thanks beautiful viewers for watching Fashionist. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Until next time, stay stylish and confident. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. And I request all of you share this video with your family and friends. We will dive into her fashion evolution, role life and biography. Let's get started. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Kate worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Kate's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate supports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, royal life and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I want to tell you about my YouTube channel. I want to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide, she is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Kate's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Kate dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Kate's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces, and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons, past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic, elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She's a true style icon, and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Cat often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Cat's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Cat's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Cat's jewelry collection is inviolable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Cat's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Cat's handbag collection is impressive. She favors classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Cat's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Cat's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Cat's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Cat's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Cat faces criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Cat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Cat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Cat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Cat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Before becoming a royal, Cat's style was more relaxed. She often wore bohemian-inspired pieces and high-street brands. Cat's style has evolved significantly since becoming a royal. She's adopted a more polished, sophisticated look while remaining. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please tell me in comment box what do you like in this videos and which type of video do you like in future. And please subscribe my channel and support me. And share this video with your family and friends. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are as passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today and let's explore the world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips, tricks from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish Cat's Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Cat fashion sense is always on point. So who can forget Cat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Button for Alexander McQueen? This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown, Cat dresses are always on point. and we cannot get enough of them. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thanks for watching the videos.